Hi everyone, welcome to 30 Something Beauty. I'm Cassandra Thompson, your 30-something normal person, beauty lover, making videos here on YouTube. So, welcome. Today is another day of 30 days, 30 looks. I already have foundation, powder on. Guys, I forgot concealer, so I have no concealer on. Literally put all my powder on and then went back with Shape Tape over my eyes. So we'll see how this goes, but it was desperate measures. Wanted to just follow up on yesterday. Mixing the two foundations sucked by 2 o'clock. Like, my makeup was literally off in places. It was patching in places. It was terrifying. I still did similar today, but instead of using a brush, I used the Laura Mercier again because I was trying to think, what did I do different the first time that worked? I used Laura Mercier and patted it in really nicely. So we'll see if that makes the difference today. First, we're going to start with bronzer, and I am going to use my Hourglass Ambient Luminous Bronze Light. So this is the one that does have some shimmer in it. I haven't used this one in a while. I forgot how much I like it. Then, going to take my Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. This is the one that is a dupe for the NARS one that's really popular. But I forgot. I said it the other day, but I think you're not really supposed to say it on YouTube because it sounds explicit. But it's a dupe for a lot of things. Everybody's making this color now. But I do really like this blush. So now we're gonna do eyes. Eyebrows are done. I used the Archery from Soap and Glory. It's not my favorite, but it's fast. And put on my primer, which is Milani. Everybody's surprised. The Milani primer. I'm gonna use Too Faced Sweet Peach. Gonna go in with peaches and cream all over. This is just to set the eye. Then I'm going to take my little flat brush, and I want to use the green so badly today, but I can't with what I'm going to do for the day. I'm going to go in with Puree. And then because I hate this brush for the brow, or not the brow, for the crease, I'm going to come back with my angled brush and now pull it into the crease. I'm going to go over it in the corners with Charmed, I'm sure. It's just a darker matte brown. Take Georgia, the pink, once again, just using that same brush, and just go right above that to kind of blend. And I'm going to take Luscious and just pull in the inner corner and put it right around the tear duct too. Underneath, I'm going to take Caramelized with my smudge brush. And then on top, I am going to take Talk Derby to Me, this dark, it's almost a black with purple glitter, but I don't think the glitter is going to go everywhere, I'm going to spray it with MAC Fix Plus. And I'm going to line the bottom too. Just right against that lash line so that you're still seeing the smudginess underneath. Going to curl the lashes, put on mascara, and then we will come back for the lip. I'm not doing liner today. That is the liner. I'm really liking my eye look today. I'm very happy with it. Happy with the way it went with the blush. I'm looking on screen like I already have highlighter on, but I don't. For that, we're gonna bust out Champagne Top. You know what I'm gonna use to press it in today? My powder one again. Not because I want to dilute it, but because I want it to really like sink. Look at that, sink in. I will use my Sephora one. And then, just to help out on my forehead, I'm going to take a different brush and use my Diffuse Light, which I am still mad that I wondered why it wasn't working as good as when it was in the 3 set. It's dummy, because you bought the wrong one. So as soon as February comes, I'm going back to buy Dim Light, the one that is my favorite. But, I mean, this is still good. It can still be used. Noticing how desperately I need to get my eyebrows done. We're going to finish with All Nighter. That, for some reason, the spray is not a beautiful fine mist anymore. Lightly dab on this too. And I'm so close to the end on this, but I love this NARS Velvet Lip Glide in Bound. I think I got it in a Sephora play. This is one of those things I will rebuy. To me, it is the perfect pink. And then I am going to top it with my Dazzle Glass because we're so close. Is it weird that I love a product but I want it gone? Like, I love this, so you'd think I'd be hoarding it and saving it, but no, I want to use it to its fullest. Okay, so that is our final look. And take my hair out from behind. Doing the little texture-y thing again today. That is our final look. If you liked this video, please subscribe if you haven't already. Give it a thumbs up and comment below what's your favorite product you're wearing today. And please share this with others. If you know other 30-somethings that you think should be watching videos here on YouTube, share this with them. And right now you should be getting suggestions of other videos I think you'd like. So please keep watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.